In order to find the equation of the normal when x equals 1, the first thing that we should do is figure out which point on the parabola this corresponds to. So we can do that just by substituting in our x value. 1 squared is just 1, plus 2 times 1, which is 2, minus 3. And we get that our y value is just equal to 0. So this should go through the coordinate 1 comma 0. And if we actually look at a graph of this, we do see that it will in fact go through that point. Now I've already taken the liberty to draw in that point, not only the tangent, which you see in blue dotted, but you see a green normal that is perpendicular to the tangent. So before we can go any further, we have to find the slope of the tangent line, because then we can use that to find the slope of the normal. In order to find the slope of the tangent line, we have to look at our derivative. So dy dx equals 2x squared plus 2. And since we're looking where x equals 1, the slope of my tangent will be just 2 times 1, or 2, plus 2. So the tangent line has a slope of 4, but what we're concerned with is the perpendicular slope of the normal line. And in order to get a slope that's perpendicular, you take the negative reciprocal. So the slope of the normal is just going to be 1 over 4, and since it was positive here, this must be negative. Now I know it's going to go through that same point. I can see it right here. It intersects in the same place. So when considering slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, if I go to do my substitutions, my slope is negative 1/4, as seen there. My point is 0, comma 1, and then I'm solving once again for my y-intercept. I can tell here from the graph, this is the great advantage of being able to graph these first. I can tell here that it's going to be less than 1, and we're going to see exactly where it is. 0 equals negative 1/4 plus b, so b equals positive 1/4, because we're adding 1/4 to each side, which means that the equation of my normal will be y equals negative 1/4 x plus 1/4. Now you're not going to have the equation of the line here because you didn't know the equation of it to graph. But once you have it, you could graph it and just prove to yourself that it's perpendicular going through that same area. And that's just a way to reassure yourself that you did the answer correctly.